Kino Sushi. So now I will be there. So a special guest from Jake. So yeah, Jake. So you can show with me inside what your restaurant is inside our Kino Sushi. Wow, lovely place. So wow, it's small but cozy. And then wow, this is perfect, romantic. Yeah. So Jake, what we have a la carte menu?
We have a sushi,
Oh.
we have hot dish.
Wow.
We can present this.
This is have many assorted kind of sushi. So welcome guys here. So some Asian who love sushi here. So Kano Sushi, don't forget. And then our manager is Jake. And thank you again for today. So lovely. So
Please come visit
welcome.
us.
Visit us. Yeah, Jake, find Jake and Kano Sushi. So yeah, love you.
Yes.